Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, in my previous video, I have finished question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 12.1. So student, in this video, I am going to start from the question number 5 of exercise 12.1. So firstly student, I am writing the question. Question number 5 is saying classify into monomials, binomials, and trinomials. Trinomials. Example student, there are many parts are given student in this question, but here I am taking some parts, important parts. First 4y minus 7z and I am taking the second part also student, y square. I am taking 100, 4 part I am taking 100 and I am taking last part 12 part is 1 plus x square, and remaining parts student you will do yourself, that is your homework. So student, question is saying classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. आपको क्लासिफाई करना है in the given expression that this expression belongs to monomials, binomials or trinomials. So student, firstly student, you are saying here that my topic is polynomials. So I will tell you firstly monomials, binomials, trinomials. After this I will tell you the polynomials. So student, what is the monomials? Monomials, binomials and trinomials. So student, firstly know about the monomials such that algebraic expression which has only one terms is called the monomials. In the algebraic expression, if the algebraic expression has only one term, is called the monomials. Binomials, by means 2. So that algebraic expression which has two terms, and you have already known about the terms. I have explained in my previous video. Bi means 2, tri means 3. So binomials means expression has two terms, two unlike terms is called the binomials. And trinomials, that expression which has three unlike terms. Three unlike terms are called trinomials. Like student, monomials 6x square. This is the best, this is the example. This is the example of the monomials. Because this is the expression. Why? Because it is made by the variable and constant. Combination of variable, constant and mathematical operation. But you can ask, where is mathematical operation is used? Yes, student. There is no sign between 6 and x. So you will understand about the multiplication sign. So this is a expression, algebraic expression. And this algebraic expression has the only one term, 6x square. So this is the monomials and binomials, that expression which has two unlike terms, 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y. It is a binomials. Binomials. You will say it binomials. Trinomials, that expression which has three unlike terms, means 3x plus 2y minus z. Minus z. It is a trinomials. Why? Because it has three terms, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2. So binomial, only one, monomials. So, student, and your topic is polynomials. What is the polynomials, student? Polynomials, such that expression which has two or more than two terms, that algebraic expression which has two or more than two terms are called the polynomials. Are called the polynomials. Polynomials. इसमें 2 है, इसमें 2 से ज्यादा है, सो इनको आप यू कैन से polynomials. Polynomials. And this is the monomials which has only one term. So student, I hope you have understood about the monomials, binomials and trinomials. So come to your question, student. Now, first question is very easy. 4y minus 7z. By seeing, you can see this expression is monomials, binomials or trinomials. You can say this is the binomials. 4y minus 7z is binomials because it has two term, two unlike term. Yes, यहीं पर स्टूडेंट मैं आपको लाइक और अनलाइक टर्म भी बताना चाह रहा हूं. व्हाट इज द लाइक एंड अनलाइक टर्म, क्योंकि इसकी जरूरत हमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में पड़ेगी. सो इफ द algebraic factor are not same in the expression, then that is called unlike terms. That is called unlike terms. वे सभी क्या होंगे? unlike term होंगे. And if the algebraic factor in expressions are same, that is called like terms. All are called like terms. किसी भी expression में if algebraic factor y and z is the algebraic expression, sorry student, is the algebraic factor. What is the factor of minus 7z? Minus 1, 7 and z, you know. So z and y is the algebraic factor, and y and z are not same. So these both terms are called unlike terms. ये दोनों term क्या हैं? Unlike term. As same student, y square, you know y square is a monomials. You will put it in the category of monomials. Why? Because it has only one term. It is an expression. You can write 1y square and there is no sign between 1 and y. So you will understand about the multiplication. So it is an expression and this expression has the only one term. So it is called monomials. Trinomials, I am taking 100. You will put 100 also in monomials category. It has only one term and this is a number, and 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, it is a trinomial. It is a trinomial algebraic expression. Why? Because 1, 2 and 3, it has 3 terms, 3 terms. So it is called trinomials. It is called trinomials. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. Very easy. Only count the term and write the name. So in this way you will solve all the remaining parts of this question. This is very easy, student. So come to the next question. Question number 6. So I am going to erase it, student. Sorry, student. Question 6. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike term. Unlike terms. So student, I am taking some important part of this question also. First is 1 and 100. Second, minus 7x and 5 upon 2x. And I am taking student third, minus 29x and minus 29y. I am taking 3 part of this question, student. So question is saying, student, state whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike. आपको बताना ये term है. This is term of the expression. So these terms, these pair of the term are like or unlike. So I have told you like and unlike term. Like and unlike term. If the algebraic factors in expressions are same, that is called like terms. All are called like terms. But if the algebraic factor in expression are not same, that is unlike terms. I have told you, student. So you are saying this is one number and this is also numerals, number. So these are like terms. 1 and 100 are like term. Why? क्यों हैं? Because both are numbers, both are numerals. And in part second, student, if we talk about the part second, minus 7x and 5 upon 2 are 5 upon 2x are like terms also. Why? Because algebraic factors are same. Only you need to match the algebraic factor. If algebraic factor are same, that is the like terms. But if the algebraic factor are not same, that is unlike terms. So algebraic factor of minus 7x is x and 5 upon 2x is x. So both terms are like terms. You can write the reason. Because algebraic expression because algebraic factors, sorry student, algebraic factor are same. algebraic factor क्या है? सेम है दोनों के. So you can say these are like terms. And if we talk about the third question, student, that is minus 29x and minus 29y. Numerical factor are same, but algebraic factor, student, you are seeing algebraic factor is x and this term has the algebraic factor y. So x and y are not same. So you can say easily that are unlike term because algebraic factor are not same. In your reason you will write are not same. आप रीजन में राइट करेंगे algebraic factor are not same. So this is unlike term, student. So I hope, student, you have understood this question very well. This is very easy question, student, and remaining part of this question, student, is homework for you. So all part you will do in your fair copy. So student, come to the next question, that is the question number 7. Identify like term in the following. Identify the like terms in the following. Same question, student, same question, but there are many terms are given in the question. In question number 6, some limited 1, 2 or 3 terms are given, but in this question there are many, perhaps 8 or 10 terms are given in a question. So firstly you will search that terms which has the same algebraic factor, that is the like, and that terms which will be left, that will be unlike. पहले एक को ओनली वन, एक को सिर्फ आप छांटिए, एक को फाइंड आउट करिए, दूसरा अपने आप निकल जाएगा. लाइक और अनलाइक, जिनके अलजेब्रिक फैक्टर सेम है उनको पहले आप राइट कर लीजिए, जो बच जाएंगे दैट इज द अनलाइक टर्म्स. So student, I am not doing the question number 7. So question number 7 is homework for you. Question 7. Homework for you. ये आपके होमवर्क है. Question number 7. I have discussed about question number 7 also. So you will do in your fair copy, student. So this exercise has finished, student. Today you will do all questions of this exercise in your fair copy, and in my next video I will start your new exercise 12.2. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.